Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today we're going to be making a chomping game in Scratch. So as you can see, I'm at the Space Story 2 when we made it last time. I have liked and favorited it for no reason, just like I just love that project. So as you can see, this is me in my account sp-star, and today we're going to be creating that project. So click the create button. Now, who are we gonna make? Which sprite is gonna be eating something? So we want some sprite to eat something. How about Abby? Abby can eat something. How about a watermelon, since I'm eating it right now? Wait, there's no watermelon. Ah, there it is. Yeah, she's gonna keep eating this watermelon. How's she gonna keep eating it? Well, we have to put it to your mouth. I think the watermelon is too big, so we can make it free. Yeah, there we go. Now Abby is supposed to be eating the watermelon, so we're gonna make Abby eat the watermelon. How are we gonna make Abby eat the watermelon? Wait, and just put it near her mouth, and we're gonna pick a backdrop. I'll pick boardwalk. Now she's standing on the boardwalk and she's eating this watermelon. Now we want the watermelon to keep chomping, and then Abby to keep chomping on the watermelon, and then the watermelon's supposed to be cutting in half, and then after it's done, it's supposed to disappear. So as you can see, we're on the watermelon sprite because we're gonna make it chomp, because bite. Yeah, that's our sound, because chomp is like, I'll show you. See that? So I'm using bite. I don't have to record mine since I'm already recording here. If you watch that how to record a sound video, if you haven't watched it, please remember to watch that right after this video if you want to, or do something like that. If you've already watched, you don't have to watch. I'm just telling for the people who haven't watched it. Anyways, now when green flag clicked, it's supposed to show up because it's gonna hide at the end, right? So just show it up. So the watermelon is gonna show on her mouth, and then she's gonna start chomping and eating the watermelon. How are they make do that? Well, this watermelon is actually what she's supposed to be eating. She's supposed to be eating and chomping on the watermelon. So after she eats this whole watermelon, she will be done with it. Actually, this watermelon has to just like disappear. So we're gonna X out that costume by erasing. So we are going to erase and just make it a round circle. Okay, that's much better. There we go. Now, Abby is just like this. I don't know why. She is just finished the watermelon already. Abby is already finished watermelon. So it's gonna keep switching to the costumes that she hasn't eaten the watermelon. So she's gonna keep eating the watermelon. Okay, as you can see, she's just chomping, chomping, and chomping. Wait, this one's not so good. Speak a little bit to the side, a little bit to the left. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna keep making Abby chomp on the watermelon. If someone has already played it and then they just click the stop sign when it's not done, you can just switch the costume to watermelon A, because that's this full watermelon, which she's gonna start chomping on. So now we're gonna start making chomping and switching to the costumes. So now we're gonna make it switch the costumes to the watermelon B and put that there. Now we're gonna put this watermelon C, and put the sound before that. And put the sound again after that, and switch the costume to this watermelon, and then it's gonna hide. Wait 1 second, and hide. Well, what Avery's just doing, what Abby's just doing is she's just standing there. How about we make a little more animation so we can make a sun? and make it keep going like this, keep gliding. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a sun, and I'll be right back. If you know how to make a sun, please remember to watch the how to make a backdrop and scratch video, and I'll show you how to make a sun. So if you watch it already, I'm gonna pause the video. Just for you guys, you can just drag out a circle and make it like that. You can choose any yellow color. I'm gonna just make the sun, and I'll be back after I make the sun, okay? I promise I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I made the sun, as you can see, and I'm gonna put it at the edge. Come on, put that there. Hey, get in there, get in there, get in there. Okay guys, this sun is a little bit naughty. I don't know why, it's just like that. Okay, we're gonna keep making the sun keep gliding. You can name that sprite sun and make it keep gliding. So drag out the one green frog clicked and drag it for a loop and drag out this it's not that. You go to motion, and as you can see, there's a glide 1 second to the position X and Y, and we're gonna make it a little more there. And we're gonna keep waiting every 0.05 seconds, and then it's gonna keep gliding. So you can see it's gonna work. Sure. So you can see it's just gliding. We can also play some music. As you can see, I'm just going to my sounds. I'm actually gonna upload music. I'm actually add it to my backpack. So I'm gonna go to one of my projects that I've used one of them. So I'm gonna go back to Scratch. And I'm gonna go to my profile and go there. Oh, there, the ball in the hole. That's when I was showing that music when I'm gonna actually add that music to my backpack over here. You can see it's on the backpack. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna put that in. Wait, no, that's not the one. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. I wanted the sound, not the backdrop. Just Benny sound cute. Ben sound cute. And just drag it. Come on, put it in there. Okay, take it. Drag it. Put it there. There we go. As you can see, when you close the backpack, it just loads. No, wait, it did not. How do you put that in there? Put that in there. There, go. Error learning backpack. Okay, just export it. Just upload a sound. Ball in the hole. I'm just gonna delete that. I'll leave the site. Okay, we're back. Now we are going to be uploading at sound. Wait, this doesn't upload. Okay, Scratch. Bono. I think I have to delete some of my things in the backpack because I think that's what's causing the trouble. All projects. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Come on, come on, come on. Where is it? Okay, color changing heart. I think this one is really. No. Oh well, I guess I'll find something. Wait, I think I found it. Color cat? Like, I think the color cat is one, but I don't think it is, so spin cat, nope. Squeaky toy, no. That's how I learned how to do the sun thing. Information. Giga gets lost. My space story. That's my space story. Okay. I wonder where that thing is. Remember fireworks? We made that. I don't know. Floating ball. That's what. Nope. That's a dance magic. Where is it? Ballcat game. I think this has the sound. Nope. Has a different sound. Where is it? Sign. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. Where is the last one? Okay. I'll just do a different sound. Promise. We're gonna do a different sound. It's been a while. So, dance magic. Dance funky. This is good. Look at this. Cool, huh? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. One green flag clicked. We're at loop. And we're gonna go to sound category and drag out a played sound dance funky until done. And look how it is. It doesn't wait any seconds, so. Broadcast message. Okay, about we make it broadcast message. So it's gonna broadcast message. One. It's gonna wait a few seconds. Okay, no broadcast message. Just for you, she just ate that. I don't know. Just okay. Anyways, that was the whole shopping tutorial game, whatever that is. And I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial on Learn Scratch. And don't forget to like. I mean, make space, like this video. If you don't like it, then just dislike. But if you like it, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Wait, this. Subscribe. Let's subscribe. Okay, so well, that was the whole tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys. Scratch. Keep doing scratch. I can't wait to see you next time. Be erasing everything. I can erase this code. I can't erase the code. Okay. Bye, guys.